Hello everyone, I am Ritsika Patnaik. I study in class 6 section C and I am from Vijayam School to Satyabhamapur. Now I am going to explain what is telescope and parts of a telescope. With me, two of my friends Palak and Upashna are also going to describe the content of telescope. This is the model of telescope. Now let's move into our topic. What is a telescope? A telescope is a long tube-like structure which contains curved mirrors and lenses. It is used to see distant objects in magnified form. Galileo Galilei was the first astronomer who turned the telescope into the heavens, the first eyes to look deeply into the space. But prior to that, Hans Lippershey, a glass maker, made an object that could magnify objects 3 times. So now let's know about the parts of a telescope. This is the optical tube. This is the objective lens. This is the eyepiece lens, and this long tube is known as the tripod. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Hi everyone, I am Upashna Naina and now I will explain the principle of telescope, the use lens in the telescope and the uses of telescope in day-to-day life. So first let us understand the principle of telescope. So here you all can see I have done some objects. First I have done a tree, then I have done a concave lens, and then I have done a convex lens. Then I have done here a eye. Means how we are able to see the object in the help of a telescope. So when the light coming rays through these two lenses to the tree, then the tree reflects back through the two lenses to our eyes. So we are able to see with the help of a telescope. So this is how we are able to see. We are able to see the further object with the help of a telescope. So now let us understand the various type of lessons used in a telescope. So the various type of lessons used in a telescope are concave lens and a convex lens. So all of you can see this is a concave lens and means the objective lens. Concave lens is also known as the objective lens. So here all of you can see the convex lens. It is also called as the eyepiece lens. So convex lens is also known as the eyepiece lens. This convex lens is the most important lens. By this we all able to see with the help of this lens. We all able to see the object with the help of the telescope. So now let us understand the uses of telescope. So we all know we use telescope to see the further object from us. Suppose I want to see a further object or far object from me. Suppose it as a tree. So how I will see that? I will put the telescope in front of my eye. Then what will happen? The concave lens and the convex lens will present in the telescope, and they will put the light from the tree, and the light reflects back to our eyes. The concave lens and the concave lens will be present in the convex lens and the concave lens present in the telescope. What they will do now, they will put the light rays to that tree, and that tree will reflect back to our eyes. And after we will able to see the further object, and after that we will see the further object from me. So this is how in the help of the telescope we can see the further object from us. So this is the full content of this telescope lens in the telescope, the principle of telescope and the uses of telescope. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, this is Palak Trisha Patnaik of class 6 section C, and now I am going to explain the construction of a telescope, the uses of telescope in the space and the prototyping model. So let us first start with the construction of a telescope. So what is the construction of a telescope? Now telescope uses two lenses. The first one is the concave lens, which is known as the objective lens, and the second one is the convex lens, which is known as the eyepiece lens. And these two lenses are made of a glass. And there was a rotor surface, which surface is in the cylindrical shape. And now let us understand the uses of a telescope in the space. The use of telescope in the space is that with the help of a telescope we can see the further objects from us. For example, we want to see a star, and we can see how we can see a star with the help of a telescope. Yes, it is farther from us, so how we will see that? With the help of a telescope, by putting the telescope in front of our eyes, we can see the star further from us with the help of a telescope. So how it is possible to see? Now let us understand the principle, means how we all are able to see the object behind, means the object further from us with the help of a telescope. By this, what happens? The two lens, that is a concave lens and convex lens, they reflect light, and that lights the object which we want to see. The light rays which comes from the concave lens and convex lens, they fall on the object which we want to see. Then that object reflects the light into our eyes, and by that we all are able to see the object further from us with the help of a telescope. Now let us understand the prototyping model. The prototyping model is that the things which we all are seeing in the space, means the stars, the planet, whatever we all are seeing, we don't know the name and the constellation and the stars name of all the stars, all the constellations and all the planets. So how we will know the object or the star or the constellation which we will see with the help of a telescope? How we will know that what is that object or what is that star? So with this prototyping module, we can see we can get full details that the name of the star, the details of the star, for what purpose that star is used, and the photo picture, means the picture also will show us to us. So how? So first we will connect a desktop to our telescope which we have made, means the normal telescope. Okay. And when we will take the telescope in front of our eyes, the desktop connected to the telescope, that in that desktop screen, the object which we will see, that desktop will show that object's pictures, name and detail. And by looking into that desktop, we will be very able to see the object, and we will also get the full details, the name, and we will also get a clear picture of that object or the star or the constellation or the planet. So this is the whole content of the construction of a telescope, use of telescope in space and the prototyping model. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.